Hi, and thank you for watching the Ascend Publisher demo. My name is Tony. I am a Customer Care Associate at Pepperjam. Today, I will be walking you through the Publisher interface and dive into how to use our tools and reports to help you successfully manage your Publisher account on the Ascend platform. In today's demo, we're going to go through how to navigate and use the home page, how to contact us, how to search and apply to advertiser programs, search and pull advertiser creatives, and how to use the Publisher tools for optimization. We will also discuss reporting to track your commission and how to analyze reporting to gauge your performance on the platform. Lastly, we will show you how to navigate to the Knowledge Center that provides a thorough FAQ section for any questions you have regarding the platform and the Publisher interface. After logging in at ascend.pepperjam.com using the email and password used to sign up in our Publisher registration form, you will be automatically sent to your Publisher interface dashboard. The dashboard provides quick insight into performance as well as important updates that we will like to make our publishers aware of. The first part of the dashboard that we'll discuss is the notification section. The notification section provides information updates related to advertisers, your specific program, as well as any updates on the platform. Let's take a look at some of the things you'll find in this section. Offer alerts. Offer alerts are invitations sent from our advertisers. To view their offers, click on the hyperlinked offer alert and accept or decline any offers that you may or may not be interested in. Pending term changes. This notification alerts a publisher of any commission changes in an advertiser's program. You can review and accept changes an advertiser has made to their program terms, such as updated commission rate. Please keep in mind that if you do not log in and accept these changes, they will update automatically in 7 days. Reminders. This section includes information and useful tools we would like to prompt you on, such as making sure you've submitted your W-9 form or useful decks on how to use some of our tools. Recently launched programs. When a program launches on our platform, this section of the interface will be updated. Check often as this section is updating regularly and includes important information about the program such as commission rate, cookie duration, blocking period, mobile enabled, advertisers' websites, and program details. Moving on from the notification section, you'll see a few different areas that provide valuable quick glances into performance on your publisher account. These sections will show your commissions, earnings, and top performers. Commissions at a glance is an overview of the commission you have earned with a certain time frame. There are 4 statuses for commissions: paid, locked, delayed, and pending. Paid means that the commission has been paid out. Locked means that it is locked for payment in the upcoming payment cycle. Delayed means that an advertiser has not satisfied payment with Pepperjam and commissions cannot be released until an invoice is satisfied. Pending means that the commission is in the advertiser's locking period for corrections. The earnings report displays a graph of your overall performance based on the transaction details report. We'll dive deeper into the transaction detail report and other reporting later in the webinar. Top performers. This report displays a graph based on advertiser performance. You will be able to easily identify which advertisers are top performers for your account. You can adjust the time frame of each of these reports in the upper right-hand corner of each reporting widget. Now that we've looked at the Ascend Publisher dashboard, let's move on to the navigation side on the left. This navigation includes advertisers, creatives, tools, reports, resources, and settings. These options are used to help you optimize your account as well as gain insight into how you are performing on the platform. The first tab that we'll discuss is the Advertisers tab. The Advertisers tab is where you will manage your advertiser relationships. You will be able to find new advertisers, review advertisers that have pushed you an offer, see which programs have applied to join and are still awaiting approval, and submit transaction inquiries. The My Advertisers tab shows which advertisers you are currently partnered with. Here, you will get a snapshot of their commission rate, cookie duration, tracking type, program details, and which category they fall into, such as clothing and apparel, commerce, sports and fitness, and so on. You are also able to see the date they joined the Ascend platform, as well as quickly access their creatives. We will get deeper into creatives as we move through the webinar. To download a spreadsheet of your advertisers, click on the CSV icon in the upper right-hand corner. You are also able to sort your advertisers by program name, CPA, revenue share, join date, or cookie duration. The Find New Advertisers tab allows you to search for new advertisers to start a partnership with. While searching for new advertisers, you have the option to use a variety of filters found on the left side of the page. In this section, you can filter your search by category, attribution features, offer type, term status, whether mobile tracking is enabled or not, currency, country, program ID, or whether or not they are a premier advertiser. Premier advertisers are advertisers who are very engaged and active in their accounts and are recommended by Pepperjam. In the My Application section, you can review all programs you are currently applied to. The duration of time for the application process varies per advertiser. Once the advertiser logs into their Pepperjam account, they will review all pending applications. If an advertiser declines your application, you are unable to reapply to the program. You can reach out to the contact information provided in the program details for more information on denied applications. Advertiser invites are from advertisers who are interested in working with you. By accepting their application, you can begin promoting and earn a commission for that program. If you notice you have not received credit for a referred sale, you are able to submit a transaction inquiry. This section will automatically direct you to the View Inquiries tab. On the left, you can narrow your search down by choosing an advertiser or by selecting a status, which can be pending, accepted, or rejected. You can also search by the requested date, or the resolved date, or the order date. You can also filter your results by entering the order ID or the SID. There is also the capability of downloading these inquiries in a CSV file by clicking on the Download Inquiries tab. To add an inquiry, select the Add New Inquiry tab at the top of the page. Fill out the required fields of advertiser, order ID, order date, sale amount, and the inquiry notes. Although the SID is optional, you should try to supply it if you want it associated with the transaction. You can also upload inquiries by clicking on the Upload Inquiries tab at the top of the page. When you are uploading inquiries, any failed inquiry will cause the entire file to be rejected. After an inquiry is submitted correctly, the advertiser will receive a notification on their dashboard where they will either accept or decline the inquiry. The next section we'll cover is the Creatives tab. Creatives are tools that are used to promote an advertiser's program. In the Creatives tab, you'll find a variety of different options which will vary by advertiser. Creatives are essentially the lifeblood of any advertiser's program, as they are what will be used to effectively promote their brand or products. In this section, you will be able to view the creatives of any advertiser you are joined with. To narrow your search of creatives, you can narrow by advertiser, category, promotion type, date, deep linking, creative ID, and keywords. The generic link is the URL for the home page of an advertiser's website. It is available to publishers at any time and does not expire. The generic link is one of the most frequently used creatives within a merchant's affiliate program, and thus a significant portion of the program's revenue and traffic activity may be tied to this creative. To add the generic link to your site, you'll simply need to copy and paste the required code. Text links are text hyperlinks displaying a program for publisher use. These texts may include a brand name, new product lines, offers such as free shipping, coupons, % off discounts, and much more. Text links are shown with their creative offer, start and end date, advertiser name, promotion type, for example, sale, coupons, or daily deal. Simply click the Get Code button to copy and paste the code into your site. Banners are a visual way to display a brand's product lines, offers, or discounts. Banners are shown with their image, creative offer, start and end date, the size, advertiser, and promotion type. Coupons are promotions or value propositions that could include a promotional code for consumers to enter in the shopping cart checkout for a discount on their purchase. An advertiser can also assign you an exclusive code. The use of this specific code will always result in commission for the publisher associated with it. You can use the exclusive feature on the left to filter for exclusive codes. The advanced links can include flash banners, widgets, search boxes, or video. The advanced links creatives are most commonly used for emailing. Finally, we have products. Advertisers who have a product feed will display in this section. Product feeds are essentially a catalog of the products on an advertiser's site. You can filter product feed by advertiser, category, or keyword. To add a specific product, you will need to hover over the product and click the Get Code button to copy and paste to your site. If you promote beyond the end date of a creative, tracking will default to the generic link. Moving on, the next tab we will review is the Tools tab. This includes a variety of promotional tools to help you best optimize your advertiser partnerships. One of the most commonly used tools is the Pepperjam link generator. This is used to generate tracking links or deep linking to any page on your advertiser's websites. Deep linking allows you to link to specific pages on an advertiser's site. To do this, simply drag the bookmark bar to the top of your bookmark bar page. Once added, go to the page you want to create a link for, then click on the bookmarklet. You can then copy the generated tracking link and add it to your page. The placement marketplace is where publishers can upload placement opportunities. If you have an opportunity like this that advertisers can participate in for a commission increase or flat fee, upload the details here and you will be notified if an advertiser is interested. Pay per call is a form of affiliate marketing where the advertiser pays for referrals to their call center and can be customized to pay for leads based on several conditions, including call time, in-call actions, call location, and more. The store builder allows you to select the advertiser's feeds and/or product categories that you would like to display in a dynamic storefront. The Reports tab includes reporting for your publisher account. Let's take a look at the different reports found in this section. The first reporting section is Performance. The Overall Performance report is used to track your overall performance on the platform by date. It also allows you to compare current performance with past performances. This report lists the date, impressions, clicks, revenue, commission, transactions, conversion rate, and EPC. It also provides a graph depicting this information. The Advertiser Performance displays your overall performance broken down by advertiser. You are also able to view data by an individual program. The Transaction History report will show you all transactions that were generated or modified during a specific time frame. If a transaction was reversed, returned, or canceled, the changes would be documented on this report. The Transaction History Summary Report will show you a summary view of all transactions made and changes to transactions within a selected time frame. Moving along to the Transaction Details Report. This Transaction Details Report will show you the details and statuses of all transactions made within a specified time frame. The Itemized Transaction Details Report provides details related to specific items within a transaction. The CPC Transaction Details Report is used if you are partnered with an advertiser on a CPC basis. You can pull a CPC Transaction Details Report from this page. The CPC Transaction Details Report is used to find specific details about cost per click transactions. The Corrections Report is used to review any reversals or corrections made to a transaction by the advertiser. And finally, we have the Bonus section. The Bonus Report is used to review any bonuses that you have been assigned from an advertiser. The next section of reporting is the Creatives Performance. The Creative Performance Report is used to see how many impressions, clicks, and transactions were made for any creatives you may have placed on your site. This report also shows earning per click, click-through rate, sales, and commission. Click details for each creative to get a broken down look of each creative. The Invalid Links Report is used to identify any invalid links currently on your website. The Advertiser Payments Report allows you to view a breakdown of payments from your advertisers. Payments are issued twice a month. Commissions earned between the 11th and 24th of the month are released for payment on or around the 1st of the month. Commissions earned between the 25th and 10th of the month are released for payment on or around the 15th of the month. The Payment Summary Report is used to find general information about each payment you've received from Pepperjam. This report lists the program, payment date, transaction type, and commission for each payment. The commission summary report shows unconfirmed, pending, locked, delayed, and paid commissions. You can change the date range in this report and filter the report by program. The payment history report is used to find information about previous payments and to see information about the transactions within those payments. This report lists the payment ID, description, method, notes, payment fee type, date, amount, and currency. There is also a details hyperlink that will redirect to a report of all transactions within that payment. This report will list the payment ID, transaction ID, program, creative type, conversion type, transaction type, SID, date, and amount. The currency conversion report is used to see the rate of different currency against the United States dollar. This report is updated daily. The dynamic attribution report is used to show all the incremental transactions that you received when an attribution feature is enabled. The dynamic attribution features allows an advertiser to have flexibility to issue commission for the actions that they deem most valuable. You can review transactions attributed to your exclusive code. You also are able to review transactions attributed to you by preferred publisher, which is when an advertiser gives you preference if you produce any valid click in the look-back period. There's also first click. This is where you would receive commission if you were an introductory click into the click stream. Finally, there is in-cart, which gives preference to the publisher that a customer visited before the time cart threshold. In the demand reporting, there are 3 tabs: Advertiser Performance, Demand SID, and Publisher Commission Status. Advertiser Performance allows you to see transactions that have yet to be shipped from the advertiser's warehouse, and therefore it will not yet be displayed in the transaction details report until that order has been shipped. Not all advertisers have the demand data available for view. The Demand SID report allows publishers to see detailed reporting in real time for advertisers that batch their transactions into our platform. Please note, demand reports are only available when advertisers have that visibility enabled. Under the Publisher Commission Status Report, formerly the Order Status Report, would be used to find the status and details about transactions for each program that sends their data to our systems in real time. This report lists the program ID, program, clicks, real-time demand sale amount, commission real-time demand sale amount, real-time demand count, pending sale amount, locked sale amount, commission sale, locked commission amount, locked count, paid sale amount, paid commission amount, and paid count. Under the Save Reports tab, you're able to save the overall performance report for a copy based on your chosen filters, date range, and so on. You will see this saved in the interface for you to use as a reference. Under the Resources tab, you will see information for our Knowledge Center, API documentation, and API keys. The Pepperjam Knowledge Center includes valuable education material, FAQs, how-to videos, best practices, Pepperjam company news, and even a copy of this webinar for your future reference. API stands for Application Program Interface. It is a set of routines, protocols, and tools for building software applications. Utilizing Ascend's API will allow you to systematically pull data from all available reports in the publisher interface to review and store in your own internal systems. In this section of the Developer Kit, you will be able to generate your API key. Once you've generated your API key, you are ready to start creating your API call. You can get more information on setting up an API call under the API Documentation tab within the Developer Kit. Under the Settings tab, you will find the options to update your profile as well as manage or create any sub-users on your account. Under Profile Settings, you're able to view your name, email address, website, physical address, promotional methods, or payment methods for your account. If you need to make any changes, please contact publisher-support@pepperjam.com and we will assist you. Under the Manage Sub-Users section, you are able to add any sub-users you would like on the account. You are also able to dictate which type of role and permissions they will have on the account. Some options include reporting only access, creative only, billing, and so on. To create a sub-user, you simply need to click the Add Sub-User button and enter the required information. To start a new communication with an account rep for any questions you may have, please click on the Customer Support link here at the top of the dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you can also see your Publisher ID, which you will need to reference when contacting a Pepperjam customer care rep. You can also click on that Publisher ID to access your profile information and update and edit the information when necessary. We hope this was a helpful demonstration on how to navigate through your Ascend Publisher account interface. Don't forget to browse our Knowledge Center and check our FAQs, how-to videos, and other helpful resources. You can also contact publisher-support at pepperjam.com at any time to get support from one of our customer care representatives.